How is your education level? And what is your name? What is your father's name? Please can you tell us a little bit of your background?
Okay, my education background. Since I started my career at so I was also leading autonomous in every exam. Right? So I was the top of the national exam. But I think financial constraint, I just decided to join Bumble as the richest district or a campus. Yes. So I went there up to my third year. Then I started reading. It was just due to matters of this electrical teacher. So that confused me in my education. So thereafter, I did just let me say. So from there, I didn't want my education just to change. I did theater. I went to then I shifted school to Tiagle High School. So that is where I did my national PCSP at Tiagle High School. And scholar Frederick put me to join Kabete National Polytechnic, where I was doing civil engineering. So how I was performing at Obama High School. At Obama, I was almost treated in the also. For one, I was in third year in first year, And in third year, I scored B class. I was position 4. In class, I was number 1. So in Form 2, I was number 5. Out of 148 students, of which I was called in top 10. Because in that school, only top 10 performers are called in front. So in the third year, I was also in top 10. I was also called in front to join the top 10 performers. So
Stop there, just stop there. Mimi sipendi kuja. Lakini una mtoto mzuri. Ikawe lo. Lo ya mimi. Unasikia hadi sana. What is feeling in the body right now? Wakoni msaidia kwa mambo. Na wakati wachewa kama. Until now, you're already a